Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. As you know, I've been sewing for a few years now, and my channel is all about sharing tips and tricks I learn along the way, style my finished project, and slowly build a handmade wardrobe. Let's talk my very easy Vogue jumpsuit of my summer 2018 fashion mood board. The pattern that I use is a very easy Vogue, the V9075. Now it's a very popular pattern because this is a sewer's favorite. The jumpsuit is described as close fitted, lined bodice with princess seams, side pockets, back zipper, wide-legged pleated pants. The sizes range from size 6 up to 22 and I made size 6. I made no adjustments whatsoever. Steps to success are 37. And what I can say about the sewing instructions of the Vogue, I do like the instructions. I think they're quite clear. I guess what I like mostly about it is that the sewing instructions go hand in hand with the depiction of where you're supposed to be at a certain point, or how it's supposed to look. So that's something what I really like, and I think that is something what really helps beginner sewing, because when you tell me do a stay stitch or whatever, and I'm really new at this, sometimes you don't know. So it's nice to have these type of instructions that actually show you what you're supposed to be doing at what point. I must admit, it fits really good, but I'm going to tell you something a little later in the video, so you really need to pay attention to this. I used a crepe. It didn't have any stretch whatsoever. So the amount of fabric that I used for size 6 is 1.60 m. For lining, I did 1 meter, although the pattern does ask for 1.1. The amount of pattern pieces are 8. And the nickname that me and my mom has for this jumpsuit is Veggie. Listen, I cannot lift my hands very high in this jumpsuit, otherwise I will cut off my circulation. So if there's something that I would add, that I would change, I really would have to add a waistband, or I would have to see somewhere in the bodice if there are the lines that you can either shorten the bodice or lengthen the bodice. Let's go to my favorite part of this video. My favorite part, which is showing you my finished project. This is the jumpsuit in its full glory. The pleats in the front, the pleats in the back. It is only the bodice is lined. The pants is not lined, but I do have a short slip under it. I would definitely add a waistband of 3 centimeters in the middle because it's kind of tight. Not when it's like this, but if I have to lift up my hands, you guys. Ooh-wee. I want to show you, of course, the shoes that I chose. So these are the shoes, the nude shoes, and it is leather from Buffalo, London. I bought it at Zalando, of course, and this one was a little more expensive. I'm going to look for the price, but I believe it was 90 euros. So I opted for this. Okay, so let's get on the stool right here. So this is it. It's the right amount of length in my opinion, and the fit is good. It's a size 6. It does have a concealed or an invisible zipper, and I feel like it's quite invisible, so that's good. And it has pockets, you guys. It does have side pockets, so which is awesome too. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Subscribe and thumbs up the video. Have a great day. Bye.